How to screenshot in Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot in Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the PowerToys application. To do that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store, go to the search bar, type in PowerToys, and this is the one that you want. So if you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install option. So once you have installed that, you'll be able to see this open. So click on it, and you'll be redirected to Windows PowerToys. So you gotta enable a few options. The first one is Text Extractor. So you gotta go to the search bar and type in text, and you'll be able to see this enable text extractor or text extractor. So you gotta click on it and you gotta toggle this on. The next thing that you gotta do is enable the screen ruler. To do that, you gotta go to the search bar again and type in screen ruler. So this is basically the screen ruler. You gotta click on it and you gotta enable this as well. Now, once you have enabled both of these options, you gotta press the Windows key and the Shift and the key S. Once you do so, you'll be able to see this in front of you. So now you can simply select the area that you wish to screenshot. For example, I want to screenshot this area. So here you can see the screenshot has been taken. You can simply open this, and this is basically the screenshot, and that was basically how you can take a screenshot in Windows PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.